All right, all right, all right, all right. This is the big guy, BigGuyCustoms.com, Big Guy Vinny, and I wanted y'all to see my new latest and greatest product. These are the pop sockets with their customized with our, of course, our logo and stuff on it. Anyone that orders a cup from us will get a pop socket. So go ahead and get your order on. Give me a second and I'm gonna get this out of the bag so you can see it.
24 hours later.
Alright. Get old 3M tape to hold it on the phone. Yeah, baby. If you are in the market for custom pop sockets for yourself, for your business, or whatever, we sell these for $1.25 each, and with a minimum of 50, and that includes shipping, and it also includes having your logo on here. So if you're in the market for buying one of these or getting these for your company, your business, advertising, whatever the case may be, get a hold of me. You can email me at bigguycustoms@gmail.com, or see us on Instagram, of course, Big Guy Customs. Facebook also, Big Guy Customs. But we'll take care of you. Alright, Big Guy, BigGuyCustoms.com. Get Big Guy Vinny. Ooh, my hands look pretty. Saying very. Can't do the peace sign and hold this at the same time, but hey.
You don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you? You lift my heart.